Jinan JINSHENGXING Machinery Manufacture Company, Limited is a prestigious manufacturer of CNC routers and fiber laser machines, located in the bustling city of Jinan, Shandong Province. Established in 2003 under the brand Superstar, we have grown to become a leading name in the industry, with a total investment of $1 million and an expansive plant area of over 86,000 square meters. Our state-of-the-art facilities, coupled with our commitment to excellence, have allowed us to produce an extensive range of CNC routers and fiber laser machines that cater to our customers' diverse needs. From CNC Wood Routers to plasma cutting machines, we offer a wide range of options that are of the highest quality and incorporate the latest technological advancements. All our products are ISO 9001-C and SGS certified, demonstrating our unwavering commitment to quality and reliability. Our dedication to product innovation, quality assurance, and customer satisfaction has helped us establish a loyal customer base all over the world.